Hi, I'm Parul Sharma, Assistant Manager, Financial Planning and Analysis.
Hi, I'm Dakshika Bhandari. I'm Manager Human Resources at Savills India.
My name is Shweta and I head the residential practice for Savills India.
I'm Vahini. I head the commercial advisory and transactions business for Savills in Chennai.
My name is Shweta Sahani and I head the Delhi NCR business for Savills India.
The most beautiful part of my journey has been the freedom to explore and contribute in the manner I desire. It is the culture and the empowerment which fuels you to deliver your best at Savills.
I went ahead to do my MBA post 6 years of work experience. This enabled me to understand where technology and other industries were headed, and to also meet my counterparts who are taking these sectors forward in the country.
For me, it is about second innings in my career and in my life.
I have been working for 11 years in different industries. I started with steel, then prefab manufacturing, also done metal trading, facades, and then finally landed up in real estate.
My professional journey, I started as a customer care support to office administration, and so far long fulfilling career journey I had.
I started my journey in the year 2006 as a management trainee. So the first day at the workplace, I realized that I, along with my another woman colleague, were the only women in the entire vertical of project management in Delhi.
I've been in this industry for about 18 years and I would say it's been a roller coaster ride for me.
My journey in real estate started way back in 2007. To be honest, it happened by chance.
I entered the real estate industry when the IPCs were just entering the country. The sector was evolving and the IPC ecosystem was taking shape. It was a radical shift for me because being trained as a language professional and then moving into a hardcore brokerage world. But interestingly, brokerage, which is synonymous with men, being a woman only helped my journey.
I strongly believe that self-care helps you have a better relationship with your own self. This is important so that you can transmit these good feelings to the people around you. Since you cannot share what you do not have, I always strive to be the best version of myself.
The passion to learn and to know things and the satisfaction of completing a challenging tasks motivates me personally.
As a mother of a 7-year-old kid, I do feel certain times there are conflict of priorities. However, we have to strike a balance between our personal and professional life. And as a woman, I would not shy away from saying that I don't understand why we need to be perfect, because I feel that in our imperfections, we can always look for an opportunity to improvise and deliver the best.
I grew up in a business family with traditional belief system. My biggest obstacle, the first one ever, was to convince my family to allow me to work outside of the family business.
For me, managing work and life is always about 3 things: knowing when to pause, knowing when to seek support, and knowing when to go after those obstacles. And I also believe women possess these supernatural powers that help them navigate through all these challenges and obstacles when it comes to managing their work and life.
Freedom to think and execute is something I look for, and I get this at work. This gives me more motivation and empowerment to get things done and grow along with the firm.
We have usually experienced that construction industry is to be a highly male-dominated industry to work with, but in the changing time, we've seen that women are making successful inroads into the operational domain and going out of their comfort zones and working on site with same ease and confidence.
In the last few decades, we can see women are actually working in all type of sector, whether it's corporate, whether it's on-field job. So now we can see the women are all together. They want to learn and grow, and they want to be successful in their personal and professional life as well.
Especially as women, I think we are very, very difficult on ourselves. We are over-judgmental in terms of what we haven't done and what we haven't been able to do. So when you are clearly able to bucket your priority list, I think it helps you keep your mind clear and brings in a lot of peace on a day-to-day basis.
I feel it's quite advantageous to be a woman in the man's world. There's a quote once I had heard: there are two strong powers in the world, one of that of a sword and the other of a pen. But there's a third power stronger than both of them, that is of a woman.
As a child, my parents have instilled the concept of being an independent and self-reliant woman. So it's always important for me to be ambitious.
So I rely on my family, my husband, my in-laws, my parents, my house help for all the work at home. And similarly, I rely on my teammates when it comes to supporting me at work.
I work by one rule. In all the choices that I make or the decisions that I make sure that 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line, I do not look back and regret about this decision.
I think it's always good to keep working on your passions and keep blending it with your work life as and when you can. It just adds a lot of spice in your work life and it actually makes your life feel much better.
One advice that I would like to give to my 18-year-old self is just be yourself because everyone else is taken. Enjoy that age to every bit.
I would have asked myself to do whatever you feel like and read more books. Also be more enthusiastic and confident about doing things that interests you, and that's how you'll succeed in life.
If I were to give advice to my 18-year-old self, I would say hang in there with your grit and passion. You will be able to succeed in life, and there will be no one who will be able to stop you because you are determined.
So how does Savills empower me? It gives me a voice, a professional identity where I am myself. I'm not anyone's daughter, sister, mother or wife. I can just be myself.
I am a Savills go-getter.
I am a Savills go-getter.
I am a Savills go-getter.
I'm a Savills go-getter.
I am a Savills go-getter.
I'm a Savills go-getter.
I'm a Savills go-getter.
I am a Savills go-getter.
I'm a Savills go-getter.
I'm a Savills go-getter.
I am a Savills go-getter.
I'm a Savills go-getter and very proud of it.